Hello guys, now in this particular video we will be learning about the test command. Okay, so before starting let me first create the file, that is 18 test command. You can write .sh. Okay, so let me just add the hash bang. Okay, bin bash. Yeah, so before starting this particular tutorial, let me first tell you about the basic like description about the test command. So basically test command is basically uh, used to test the particular expression, test the particular expression or particular condition. Okay, so if condition is true, then it will return 0, otherwise return 1. Okay, so if condition is true, it will return 0, or otherwise it will return 1. Okay, so it's basically like one of the another method of writing this expression. Like whatever we write in this if condition, whatever the expression we write here, whether 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so it just we can just replace these part using the test command. Okay, so but also there are many many functionalities or many options are being used with the test command. Like if we want to check whether two strings are equal, whether there is some file exist or not, whether the file is empty or not, whether the file or directory, like if we want to check whether some particular directory it is directory or not, or some mathematical operation like equal to, greater than, all those things. Okay, so we can do all those operations. So let's start. So first we will start with the string comparison, like whether two strings are equal or not equal to, whether a string is empty or not, all those things we will do. So how we can do it, let me just create the two variables, that is a and b. So I'll write my name Ayush and b equal to Ayush in this. Okay, double quotes, and now I will write the if condition and I will use the test command, if test. So it is basically like what we can say, advised to use the double quote for the variable while using the test command. Okay, if $1 equal to $b, then what we have to do, then we will just echo a is equal to b. Okay, and I will just write the else all part also, else echo a is not equal to b. Okay, just close the if condition and clear the screen and chmod plus x 18 dot slash 18. Okay, so here you can see a is equal to b. Now what I do, if I just change the b. Okay, so here you can see a is not equal to b, equal, not equal, it's equal. Okay, let me just clear the screen again and run the script. Yeah, so here you can see a is not equal to b. Okay, also test command offers many more functionalities, like string size if you want to get. Okay, so how we can do it, using hyphen n option. Okay, like not basically string size, it basically checks whether a string is what we can say, empty or not. Okay, so how we will do it, using test hyphen n dollar a we will use. So basically if there is some string, then it will echo string is not empty. Okay, empty. Okay, so hyphen n option is checks whether there is a string or not. If a string is not empty, then it will result true, it will return, it return true if it is not empty, otherwise it will return false, that it means the string is empty. Simple. So how you can do it, string is empty. So we are checking a for a. So for a there is a string, so it should return string is not empty. So string is not empty, it is returning. If I will just pass hyphen b dollar b here, so it should return a string is empty. Okay, so it is returning my string is not empty. What is it returning? Yeah, let me just again run the script. Okay, it is also returning a string is not empty. So for this we use hyphen z option. Sorry for that, we will use hyphen z option here. So clear the screen. Okay, so again it is showing me same thing. Okay, but okay, sorry, sorry, here we have to use this double quotes. Okay, but still it is showing string is not empty. But why it is empty? There is something wrong we have done here. Mm, yeah, sorry, what we have to do here is string, this is empty string, so this condition is getting true and it is just displaying me this echo message, so that's wrong. If I do something else here, condition will get false and then it will display me this. Okay, so there is nothing much, so we have to just replace this echo with above one. String is empty, or here we can just do string is not empty. Okay, so now it should return a string is not empty. So here you can see string is not empty. If I will just remove this part, it will display me a string is empty. Okay, so it was just if it is true then it will execute obviously. Okay, so in this way you can do a string comparisons also. So now moving forward in numerical part, what you can do if we want comparison like equal to, greater than, all those things. So how we can do it? Let's just do it. Okay, so I will just copy this much part and again I will paste it here and I will provide here some numbers like a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. And here if test hyphen, we will not provide hyphen, here we will use uh, the same thing which we use for numerical like hyphen eq. So here I will use dollar a. Okay, if dollar a equal to dollar b. Okay, I will remove this one. So here if a equal to b, so here we will print a is equal to b if it is true, otherwise here we will just print not equal. Okay, just again clear the screen and run the command. So string is empty and not equal. Okay, so if I will do 10 here also, so in this case a is equal to b, or you can check other options like less than, lt for less than. Here I will just add one on more zero, that is 100, and clear the screen, run the script. Okay, so here we will just change the equal statement like a is greater than b, sorry, less than b. Okay, so clear the screen, again run the script. So a is less than b, that means it means it means this statement is true and this one is executing. And if I write here, so here we will see not less than b, so not less than b. So in this case you can use multiple things using test command, like you can play with the numerical part, string also. Okay, so instead of this double bracket whatever we use in this one like double bracket and spaces, so we it is easy to use this one. Okay, so now moving forward we will use some like file comparisons also. So how we can do it? Okay, so I will provide the file name, not file name. mm, I will use these much of file or hello.txt to play with it. So there are multiple options which we can see, like hyphen s option, which is used for checking the what we can say, checking the if file is empty or not. Okay, so let's start with this. So here I will just add the comment that is the file comparisons. Okay, so here what we can do if test hyphen s, and I will provide the file name. My file name is hello.txt. Then if file is empty, hyphen s is used to check if file is empty or not. We will just echo file is empty. Otherwise else echo file is not empty. It means if condition is true, then it will execute line number 32, and if not, it will execute line number 34. Okay, so I will just comment out all, otherwise leave it. Let's check. So let me first check the hello.txt. So in hello.txt there is nothing, so it should return file is empty. So we have got some kind of error. So the error is we have not closed the if condition. Clear the screen. So file is not empty, it is showing. Why? Because I don't know if file is empty or not. So the file is empty, it should display. Let me just create one more file, test1.txt. So it is absolutely empty file. So again here I will provide test1.txt. Clear the screen. So again it is displaying me file is not empty. Why so? Okay, okay, if file is not empty, it will display this line. Okay, if file is empty, then it will display this line. Okay, so we have done some mistakes here. Like we have to just replace this line here. So I don't know why this thing is happening, so sorry for that. So just clear the screen, and yeah, file is empty now. So now what we will do, we will just write some text here, and now it should display some like file is not empty here. So clear the screen, and again, so here you can see now it's showing file is not empty. Okay, so also there are many flags we can use, hyphen d and all those things. Okay, so there are many flags which we can use to check. If hyphen d is used for check, I think whether the whatever you are passing, that is it is directory or not. Okay, so I will create one directory that is let's create one directory that is dir1. Okay, so here I will just pass dir1. If it is directory, it will I will display if condition is get true, it's a directory, or it is not a directory. I will display here it is not a directory. Just run the script. Okay, so it is a directory, and I will provide some different name here. Like suppose I provide hello, what was the file name, that is test1.txt, and now it should display it is not a directory. So yeah, it's correct. Okay, so I hope you liked it, guys. We can use test command while providing the conditions in with if conditions. So okay, so that's all for today's. I know there were some mistakes today, so sorry for that, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching.